And on St. Eustatius, we have had to fight this battle. We started in the phase of what we call containment, where we did everything possible to keep COVID at bay. And these were very strict measures, strict in the sense that the only opening to our island was basically due to emergency or medical traffic. People had to travel in bubble, etc. We are now 2 years further and almost on the eve of the second anniversary of the COVID pandemic. Is the first time that St. Eustatius has experienced what we call an outbreak. Yeah. We have had cases before, but fortunately these were always caught in the stage of what we call the monitoring, or in the stage of quarantine. And so it was on the eve of the new year that we recognized that there was a problem, and we had to act very swiftly. And acting very swiftly meant that our community was unable to celebrate the new year, the opening of the new year, in the traditional way. Yeah. And I want to thank that young man who came forward. I believe it was on the 30th of December, and when he came forward, that gave the authorities and the public health the clue that there was a problem on our island, because the island had been COVID-free since September. And then when we realized the gentleman had not traveled, was on islands, and then there's COVID on the islands, and so we had to act fast. So we were very stringent as the cases grew within a matter of days, and we see them climb. And I'm very happy that we can now see that the figures are stabilizing. And I want to thank the entire community of Statia for respecting the measures that are in place, the hygiene measures, as well as additional measures that were taken by government in order to fight the COVID. And by doing this, we are able thus far to reduce the COVID numbers.